Here we divide 318 by 2 in long division method. So 2 times 1 means 2. On subtracting we get 1. So now this 1 is less than 2. So we put down the number beside this 1. So it became 11 and 2 times 5 means 10. On subtracting we get 1. So again this 1 is less than 2. So we put down the number beside this 8. So it became 18 and 2 times 9 means 18. On subtracting we get 0. So 318 divided by 2 is 159. So this much for today and thanks for watching.